How to use Socialdraft Midjourney prompts. Welcome to Socialdraft, the ultimate destination for AI prompts. Unleash your creativity with our top-notch text-to-image solutions, perfect for your Midjourney adventures. Get ready to be amazed. Discover a world of prompts with our easy search. Find the perfect budget-friendly AI text-to-image prompts for your Midjourney creations right here on Socialdraft. Found your ideal prompt? Add it to your cart, proceed to checkout, and pay securely through our trusted payment system. With Socialdraft, your information is always safe. Once your payment is complete, you'll land on a confirmation screen to download your prompt as a PDF. Plus, we'll email it to you for easy access. Just copy the prompt, hop onto your Midjourney Discord server, and let the creative magic unfold. Now it's time to witness the power of Socialdraft prompts. In Discord, simply type /imagine, paste your prompt, and hit enter. Watch as your text-to-image prompt comes to life. And remember, you can generate multiple versions. Customize your prompt anytime to make it even more specific to your desires. Unlock endless possibilities and creativity with Socialdraft today. Socialdraft offers an incredible variety of image prompts to fuel your imagination. Love adorable furry friends? We've got that. Recreate iconic art with modern twists. Picture Lady Gaga as Sergeant's Madam X. How about women in Hopper-esque scenes immersed in their smartphones? Zendaya looks great in Kehinde Wiley's signature style. Who would you cast in American Gothic? Need images for your blog? Create stunning, Kirlian-style orchid photographs generated by our powerful text-to-image prompts. Transform your ideas into captivating 3D visuals for social media or clients. Unleash your creativity with AI prompts that generate mesmerizing abstract paintings for your creative projects. The possibilities are endless. Visit socialdraft.com today.